Good day, adventurers. It is I, the Apprentice of Fable Beard Company, and I'm back. Hello, adventurers. I have been gone for a while, to the point where I know that some of you already know who I am, but there's plenty of you who do not know. And I want to tell you a little bit about my journey of why I've been gone and what has happened and why I'm also coming back. You see, I was on a long journey. One that's actually still going on. I left Fable for a while to pursue becoming a teacher. Before Fable, I actually have my certificate and everything to become a teacher, but I just could not find that job yet. But while I was at Fable, an opportunity arose, and the wizard was extremely supportive. And so I became a teacher. Not the teacher, obviously. We already have somebody for that. But I became a teacher, one that is dealing with a wide spectrum of amazing children. Children who are very gifted and children who are challenged, also challenging me. And I'm growing as a person. So I've been talking to the wizard. And one of the things that we've talked about is how I can come back and still be a teacher. But what I'm going to be doing for you guys is you're going to see a whole lot more of me talking to you through YouTube, through other social media, and it's going to be a whole new journey. Mind you, I am still going to be that teacher and doing what I can to support a community and to help lift the next generation, but I also love Fable. I loved it while I was there for the 6 months or so that I was there, and it really hurt me to leave. To go on that adventure, part of me never thought that I was going to be coming back to the wizard and to the others that were there, the paladin, the rocket, the princess, all of them. But I am glad to say that I am back to take up the mantle of the apprentice, and it's going to be a journey. So like I said, I'm going to be doing more videos with you guys, so you're going to see me more on YouTube. Eventually, we hope, this isn't set in stone yet, but eventually we're hoping that maybe we'll be doing some podcasts occasionally. You're going to hear from me there. We're going to be doing some more stuff on social media. I'm going to be talking to you about a lot of our products, not necessarily how it's made, but maybe, some of the reviews and everything. So along with other things that you'll be seeing, with YouTube videos and social media. With those things, we're going to also be talking about what takes place here at Fable, a lot of our new characters that you're going to be getting. We're going to have some informational videos regarding how certain products are made, what goes into them. Also, as Fable, we try to be a family company. And so we're going to be trying to have a lot more of the family aspect. For instance, as many of you know from my original video, I am married. So who knows? You might see something about my wife. That's fun just on its own. I know that I'm going to enjoy that, and hopefully you guys will as well. But all of that together, it is such a joy to be back here at Fable. I'm going to love the challenge of balancing teaching and also being here, but I know that the wizard, the princess, everybody has welcomed me back, has been extremely supportive of what I currently do, and I cannot wait for the new adventure and the journey that is going to be coming back to Fable Beard Company. You all have a wonderful day, and may your beards be blessed, and fortune forever at your door.